Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you, because I've got a lot of questions in my DMs or in the comments, how do I make my Ahsoka Tano makeup for my cosplay. A lot of you ask me how do I make my makeup so smooth and you know. I just wanted to say that for this video I was inspired by Raya Fletcher. She's incredible, like just visit her Instagram. She's just amazing. Yeah, and I wanna show you how do I make my Ahsoka Tano makeup. Yeah, so first I am using just moisturizing cream. Firstly, I am covering my eyebrows. I think this is really important because Ahsoka doesn't have eyebrows. Actually, how am I doing that? I think this is differently every time I am doing this, but for like the first time I am doing this to this side, to the main point of my face, if I can say that, and just brush it like that so I look really interesting. Alright, we need to wait for this first layer to dry. This is just a glue stick. You can use whatever glue stick you want, but it has to be non-toxic. And a lot of questions, of course. Face paints. I am using Snazaro water-based. Second layer of covering eyebrows with glue stick. I have a warning for you. When you cross the border of your eyebrows with glue stick, make sure you take off this glue from your skin, because when you put face paint on this, it will be visible. Just try to take it from your skin. When the glue is still drying, I need to cut the templates, because I think if I haven't used templates, I would be, my makeup wouldn't be that good. This is carving for pumpkin. I've cut it templates. The way I'm putting it to my face is just adding a little bit of glue. Yeah. Just put it on my face like that and try not to move my face. Great. I'm gonna show you how does that work. So I spray some water to this and take my beauty blender, and my main purpose is to tap it like that. Now I am just adding first layer of this paint, so it doesn't need to look great. I look like a Cheeto. Okay. As you can see, my templates made like really smooth edges of this. So now I'm gonna use white face paint, fill those parts of my skin, but this time with brush, because we don't want to destroy makeup, yeah? And just, it doesn't look good. This is not look good at all. This is only a first layer. Okay, don't panic, Anakin, don't panic. If you wanna see some Star Wars and not only Star Wars TikToks, here is my TikTok. I really forgot how to do that. Last time I I was doing it in May. Shit, I was doing it in May. It's September now. Now I am filling my clear skin with white paint, and don't worry, this is only a first layer and you can fix this later. The first layer of this white, and as you see this part, it doesn't look good either. So I'm just gonna use those cotton sticks. I need some water. Okay. It is time to just add more of this paint. I don't care about, you know, clear skin on this makeup. We will fix it, okay? I think like this whole time I've been doing this thing and it doesn't look great as you see, but right now we need to fill that with orange paint. We like orange paint and we like looking like Cheetos. I just take brush, like, you know, those brushes. Now you need to kind of mix this water with the paint. So as you see, I am now filling my clear skin with orange and white paint. I also made my eye makeup with Nombinate's tutorial for actually Katra's makeup, but I wanted to use it. So this makeup took me 2 hours 30 minutes. Last time it took me 4 hours. It depends. I think the most important thing in any Ahsoka cosplay is leg coup. My leg coup is from Ahsoka 94. I won it in a giveaway and I love it. This is latex. This isn't that hard. It weighs less than 1 kilogram. I don't have apples teeth, but I will be using headpiece from season 7, but from first part of season 7. I don't need wig cap. When you order this, like this headpiece, you need to buy cotton and fill it, or somehow fill it with. I think cotton is the best way. I think I need to do something with my hair. Yeah. But I have no idea what I'm doing. Maybe I need a wig cap. I don't need a wig cap. No, I don't need a wig cap. And now I'm gonna use Mastix glue. Firstly, I need to attach liquid to me somehow. So I need to clear my skin. And now, Mastix. This is not original Mastix. This is like for. It was really cheap. So yeah, now we need to like tap it to activate it. Okay. I think you know, there's a lot of headpieces for Ahsoka and a lot of cosplayers do it with commission, but I think it works kind of the same with every headpiece that you need to glue to your skin. The next part is, I have no idea, this is like a multi-purpose tag. I use it for my posters instead of every time damaging leg coup somehow, because it is already damaged. Attach my headpieces. I'm gonna use just this tag. I have no idea if you're watching this, but I kind of like the smell of it, of this lecture. If it doesn't work, I would just use mastics, and I know I'll use mastics in here. I just need to make my hands done, and I think I will be done. I've made some TikToks. Now it's time to clean my face. Every time I need to clean my face after ahsoka makeup or any cosplay makeup, I don't wanna take it off. It's a cotton, but I really don't want to take it off. I am using this brush, and oh no, there is no escape. Well, you can use like any brush to clean this kind of makeup. So now I'm just gonna take this with water. Alright, and now just more brush because I have already glue in here, and my mastics because I still have mastics on my hair, and I used water, and as you see I have dirty eyes. But first I'm going to clean my face with face cleaner, but you can also like take anything you want. This is just what I have. And you know, and it is good to take a shower after any body painting. Like, I think it's kind of obvious, but I'm just saying. So yeah, I think it's all. If you need to, you can also put on a face mask. Yeah, just to make sure that your face is alive. It's good to, you know, just take care of your face, okay? As you see, there's no glue on my eyebrows. If I wash it just with my hand, the glue would still be there, and I think my eyebrows would not still be there. Thanks for coming to my Ahsoka Tano makeup tutorial. Make sure you visit Henny's Cosplay on Instagram, and see you in the next episode. May the Force be with you. Bye! My eye!